are very little student of class 1. For the first time, you are watching your mobile in such a different way. Last time maybe you are playing on mobile, but this time you are studying through mobile. You see, I am your English teacher, Sumitra ma'am. Now you see, this is the picture of your English book, course book, English course book, named Daffodils for class 1. Now, today I want to start the first chapter of your literature syllabus. That is one beautiful poem, Bugs Play Music. Look at the poem. You can see in book as well as in my computer screen also. This is Bugs Play Music. There are several instruments, musical instruments are there. Now I am reading the poem. You just follow the lines. Who is playing this lovely tune? See the fireflies blinking under the moon. Oh, we can see some bugs. I thought they just spoiled rugs. The honeybee plays the flute. His dancing friends look cute. The beetle plays drums, nodding their heads. His friends, Grasshopper plays the organ. He is dancing, having fun. There a ladybug plays tabla. Alone she sits, sings and sways. The butterfly plays violin so sweet. Now, you can see my book. There are several pictures where the insects, mainly they are enjoying their orchestra or the musical instrument. Now you see in my book the next lines of the poem. For the fireflies listening, it is a treat. All the bugs are in the garden. They are playing music. Honeybee plays the flute. Other honeybees are dancing. Beetle plays the drum. His friend Beetle nods his head. Ladybug plays the tabla. She sits alone and sings too. Grasshopper plays the organ. He is dancing to its tune. Butterfly plays the violin. And the fireflies are blinking and listening under the moon. Now you listen to me. You can look at my computer screen for the first lines of the first stanza of the poem. You see who is playing the lovely tune. So we can easily understand this theme. Actually, it is a treat. Many bugs, many insects, this ladybug, then fireflies, grasshopper, bug, these words mean all kinds of insects. They are playing the tabla and other musical instruments. Actually, it's an imaginary poem by the poetess Anita Bhattacharya. She is an Indian poet. You can see in this poem who is playing this lovely tune. One bug is asking who is playing this lovely tune. You see the picture. You see the picture here in my book who is playing the lovely tune. So this is the picture where two bugs are playing one drum and another hand drum, that is tabla. That is called tabla. Here also you can see different kinds of musical instrument. This is violin, this is one drum, this is hand drum. So this type of musical instrument I think you have seen many of times in your homes. Now you just listen to me. Who is playing this lovely tune? See the fireflies blinking under the moon. Blinking means fireflies, one particular type of insect which emits light in the darkness. That is why blinking means sometime giving the light, sometime it is off. In this way, under the moon means under the dark night, they are playing all these things, playing all this lovely tune. We can see some bugs. I thought they just spoiled rugs. Means they are spoiled. Rugs means the covering of the floor. Spoil means to destroy or to spoil. The honeybee plays the flute. Flute is an instrument. It is a wind it is a windpipe. Actually, woodwind instrument. I can show you the picture later. His dancing friends look cute. Cute means especially the infant, a round face and which is very lovely. The beetle plays drums, nodding their heads. His friends hum. Nodding means to incline your head up and down. Grasshopper plays the organ. Organ is another musical instrument. He is dancing, having fun. There are ladybug. See, the ladybug is another insect, another kind of insect. Plays tabla. Who is playing the tabla? Along she sits, sings and sways. Sways means a swinging motion. Swaying, so from one direction to another direction. The butterfly plays violin so sweet. So my dear students, can you tell me who is playing the violin? Yes, the answer is butterfly. So sweet means very lovely melodious tune. Now you look at my book, because another part I have not shown here. Here you see, for the fireflies listening, it is a treat. Treat means any kind of dealing that you have to handle. All the bugs are in the garden. You can see here in the garden there are many small plants and trees and grasses. Among these, all bugs are there. All three bugs are here. You can see their wings and antennas, and their face is so cute. Cute means round shape, especially for expressing the cute means the little children or little things. We apply this word cute. We often use, but we don't know the actual meaning. Okay, all the bugs are in the garden. They are playing music. Honeybee plays the flute. Other honeybees are dancing. I think you can easily understand the meaning of the poem. Some are dancing, some are playing the song, some are playing the music. With the music, they are dancing accordingly. Beetle plays the drum. Drum picture I have shown you earlier. Yes. His friend Beetle nods his head. Nods means to incline your head up and down to show your agreement. Ladybug plays the tabla. She sits alone and sings too. Grasshopper plays the organ. He is dancing to its tune. Yes, all these are very common words. Now, some words, new words meaning you have to remember. For that I have written in my page. You can see my page. Here also I have tried to draw one small drawing for your better understanding. This is your poem, Bugs Play Music, and here you can see this is the ladybug who is playing tabla, and this is a common bug, an insect who is playing the drum. In the garden there are many trees, grasses, small plants, and other bugs and insects are also dancing along with the tune. Now new words meaning. You can see tune. Tune means a melody, a very good or nice song. Next, bug, an insect. You can write here also, or if this is very small handwriting, then I can send you later. Flute. Flute, a woodwind instrument. That is also a musical instrument. You can see the picture of a flute. I think you are aware of this flute. Next, organ, a musical instrument. I think you have seen harmonium in your house. Harmonium is also a musical instrument. Just like that, organ is also. Now, alone means by oneself. When your parents are outside at work, you are alone at home. Okay. Now, tabla, a pair of hand drums. You see, tabla picture also I have tried to draw, that you can understand the real meaning. Okay.